How to fix Spotify can't play this right now if you have the file. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open your settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, and then you have to go to Spotify. Wait. When you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button here, clear data, click OK and go back, click for stop and click OK, and the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify application. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.